Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, May 17th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Um, yeah, we had the continuing crappy day streak that we've had so long I've forgotten how long it's been has continued today. No relief from that at all. You're looking here at the Dow. The Dow closed officially down 54 points. This reaction that we had after this big sell off continues to look like a dead cat bounce to me, and it would not surprise me if we see this all come down, take out the lows down here. But hey, I'm not very good at predicting things lately, so I'm not going to try and predict. But what was really bad is that on Friday we had gotten into 17 positions and we were holding positive $5,500. I told you on Friday, if you saw the video, that $5,500 positive isn't a real lot of money when you have 17 positions. And if things go south, that could get really bad for us. Well, yeah, and that's exactly what happened. And that's the way things have been going day after day after day. And we ended up going from positive $5,500 on Friday to closing out 16 of those 17 positions with almost negative $18,000. That's a real kick in the butt, but that's what we've been getting lately. All we get is kicks in the butts. We don't get profits anymore. It's all downhill. That's the way it certainly feels to me. Uh, we got, and then, we got into 6 new positions today, 3 positive, 3 negative, and we're positive over $10,000 on those 6 positions. And normally I would say, well, at least we got some positive stuff. Maybe we could make it up tomorrow. But hey, unless a whole lot changes between now and tomorrow, I, I don't even know if that positive $10,000 will be positive tomorrow. I mean, it just seems like, yeah, we get into this stuff, but we get positive open trade equity and inevitably reverses the next day. That's the pattern we've been in. And so who am I to say that that won't happen again tomorrow? We'll wait and see. I hope I'm wrong, but yeah, I'm not going to get excited about that positive $10,000 when it's open trade. I'll show you 3 stocks here. I'll show you the worst one that we had as far as closing out, and this is SEAL, SEEL, which is Sealos Therapeutics, and we had bought this on Friday, and it had closed positive on Friday, and then this huge gap down this morning, forcing us to sell there with nearly $10,000 in loss. Yeah, and we had, other stocks with similar patterns, not as bad as loss, but the patterns were very similar. And this is just what's been happening to us lately. I feel stupid. I put this in the portfolio, but I put it in the portfolio because it looks good. But once we start trading it, it's not any good anymore, and this is terrible. This thing hasn't yielded a single positive trade since we've been trading it, and this morning that cost us $10,000. Okay, because we are up over $10,000 in open trade, we did have a couple good trades, so I'm going to show those to you, but these are open trades. And this first one is GameStop again. And I've told you before, I think GameStop is doing really well because the hedge fund managers don't control GameStop. GameStop is being controlled by the people anyway, and the patterns are very familiar. Anyway, today it popped up. We bought it. It kept going and closed near its high. That's exactly the way we want to see it go, and we're up $4,600 in GameStop. And then another one that's even bigger. This is JNUG, JNUG. That is the gold mining bull. This thing goes crazy on gold prices, and you know, people are buying gold now because you know the economy sucks, the government sucks, the world sucks. There's war, there's inflation, there's everything that we didn't have 6 months ago is now rampant, and it's, in my opinion, this is what's made trading so difficult for us. Anyway, um, this is on Friday. Gold jumped up. We bought it right away, and it did close slightly profitable on Friday, but this morning it just really took off, and that keeps us in the trade, and glad we stay in the trade. Closed pretty close to its high up there, and we're up $9,100, getting close to $10,000 positive there in gold. So that looks really good. Anyway, that's the way it went, and I'll be back here tomorrow trading as usual on Tuesday.